A very good morning, dear students. We can start our moral science class, chapter 6, Perseverance. The perseverance is the quality of being persistent in a course of actions or anything undertaken. The perseverance means that is a quality of persisting what are the actions or the things or the courses you are undertaken. And this is called the perseverance. And we can see here the Samuel Johnson, he is saying great works are performed not by strength but by the perseverance. What are the great works? You or the people they are doing the great works. This all it is not by the strength they are doing, more than the strength they are doing by the perseverance. With the perseverance only they can do the great works. That is saying the Samuel Johnson, the great works are performed not by strength but by the perseverance. And we can see to develop the value of perseverance, one need to focus on the goal with determination. If we have to develop our perseverance, what we have to do? We have to focus on the goal with the determination. All have the goal, so we have to focus our goals how? With the determination. We have to focus our goal with the determination. And we can see when you have the determined mind, you will not be influenced by the negative vibes. We told that we have to focus our goal with the determination. If we have the determined mind, what will happen? You will not be give up the. You will not be influenced by the negative vibes. What are the negative things it is coming to us? It will not be. We are not focusing on that. Many people start things they want to achieve only to give up as the first sign of failure. They lack courage to face failures, problems and obstacles, to persist, to fight back in difficult. And the many people they are starting, they want to achieve only give up the first failure. They are not willing to failure, to take up the failure in their life. Because what they are doing, what are the things they are doing, first of all they have to get the success. They are thinking that they are not able to take up the task or the failures, or they are not having the courage to face the failures or the problems and the obstacles what they are facing in their life. And to persist, to fight back is difficult. And we have to fight against the failures and the difficulties, what all the things we are facing, that all we have to fight against that. Then only we will get the things better, or we can get the success in our life. And everyone wants success or victory at the first attempt. Then all are thinking or all are facing or all are wishing to get the success the first time. The first time only they want the success. And success belongs to those who fight back against the obstacle. And the success, who will get the success? The success will get those who are fighting back the obstacles. What are the obstacles? They are the people they are getting in their life. Those who are fighting back the obstacles, they only will get the success. So, if we need the success, what we have to do? We have to fight the struggles or the obstacles what we are getting in our day-to-day life. The great inventor Thomas Edison failed 100 times before inventing the electric bulb. Then we know that Thomas Edison he invented the electric bulb, and he was 100 times he failed to invent the electric bulb. Then after, it was his never give up attitude that helped him to success. Then after 100 times failing, after he came to be successful. The most certain way is to try more and more. So what we have to do? If you are getting the failures, we have to try more and more times. Then only we will get the success in our life. Let us go through a story to understand. We can listen a story to understand more. But how we have to do the struggles or the obstacles what it is getting in our life, we have to face it. Then only we can get the successful in our life. We can listen the story. Once upon a time, two frogs lived in a pond nearby a village. Two frogs, they were living in the pond. One day it started raining. That one day what happened? It was raining. The frogs were apprehensive of their safety, and they got the fear of their safety, their life. And therefore they hopped into a nearby house. So in order to find food and shelter, and they started to go nearby their one house. They went there for what? To get the food and shelter. The frog accidentally fell in a pail of milk. Then, when they are rounding, looking for the food and all, the frog accidentally it fell in a pail of milk. The realization of drowning in the milk gave them creeps. They struggled and beat their limbs vigorously. And when they fell in the milk, what happened? They were struggling to come from there. The physical strength and effort and energy they were using to come out from there. But nothing seemed to happen. They were struggling more times, but nothing it happened to come out. All their efforts went in vain, and they were still inside the pail. Then what all the efforts they were taking to come out from there, this all it failed. It is not working, or they cannot come out from there. They tried again to get off the pail, despite the sides of the pail were too slippery, and they were trying to come out from there, but it is not they cannot come out, and it is very slippery. After a long struggle, one frog exclaimed, "Oh, I can't get out." After struggling, the one frog told that, "I cannot come out. I am very tired. I cannot come out. I am tired," and sank and gave up. The other frog was unwilling to give up and kept on swimming. Then one frog failed to come out. It is very tired. Then other frog, what it is saying? It is never giving up to. It is not failing, or it is swimming there. It carried on beating its legs, and the other frog, it is swimming and it is carrying on to beat his legs. By moving, the milk slowly began to curd, and surface become a bit more solid. Then the other frog, it is moving here and there from the milk, and it is turned to become the surface. It became more solid. And the frog used the solid surface as a kind of launching pad by which it could jump out, and it is used as a launching pad, and now it is solid and it can jump out. And finally, perseverance made success. And from this story also we can understand, from the perseverance they got the success. If they are not having the perseverance, what will happen? They will be there and they will die after many days. So by the perseverance they got the success. In our life also, if we are having the perseverance, we will get the success in our life. See here, the persevere is hard to try. It causes you much pain and deep sigh, and it is very hard. When we are facing the perseverance, it will get the more pain and the deep sigh and all. So the grind is hard, heavy, lot to bear, but it is worth it, for well you will fare. And maybe it is very hard, but you have to face, then only you may get the success. We can see from the story and from the lesson, it is saying we need the perseverance. The perseverance, it is the major key of life of success. If we need the key of in our life the success, what we have to do? We have to do the perseverance in our life. If we have the perseverance, only we will have the success. And what are the difficult moments? It is very difficult task we have to face. When we are getting the perseverance, it is very difficult to face the problems or the failures in our life. So when we are facing the difficulties, the failures or the oppositions, this all if you are facing, only we can get the success. So if you want the success in your life, what we have to do? We have to face all your failures in your life. Maybe the first time only you cannot be success. You cannot be success. So what we have to do? You have to, maybe first time you are failing, second time you are failing. You have to face all your failures in your life, and you have to, when you are facing the failures or the obstacles or the difficulties in your life, then only you can get the success. So through this lesson also you may understood what is the perseverance. If you have to persevere in your life, you have to get the success in your life. It is needed the perseverance. So I think all of you have to practice the perseverance in your life and to get the success. So when you are making the perseverance in your life, you will get the success. So if you are getting the failures and all in your life, don't be disappointed. You have to be try to get the success in your life by facing the failures, difficulties and obstacles. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.